First thing I want to show you is this chart that I drew a long time ago. This is from Binance. This is on 1 weekly time frame. And what you're going to see here when we zoom in is that XRP actually managed to break this channel. You can see up here, I mean, you got to zoom very nicely. XRP managed to break this channel and pump above the channel towards the upside, right? So this is actually very nice because right now it did the move that needs to move to continue higher. And this channel was actually pretty significant when I look at it on big time frame. I just saw it right now, so I thought we should talk a little bit about that. What's happening right now over here is XRP is actually consolidating and it's looking to go higher up here. How high? I think it's going to be 1.6. I'm going to tell you why. That's right over here, give or take. But right now what's happening on XRP is doing this triangle part over here. It's not actually triangle, it's actually a falling channel. So if you zoom in a little bit, I'm just gonna remove everything so we can see this a little bit better. It's actually doing this part over here. Goes over here, you can see right now that line goes something like this all the way down towards the bottom. So this is actually a falling channel, which is actually very, very bullish. But this falling channel is actually creating this triangle over here right now. It's just consolidating up here before the next move. Now, it can happen that it falls down all the way back down to the bottom of the channel, to the 50 moving average, and then goes towards the upside, or just over here and goes towards the upside over here. All of these patterns, all of these moves are still very much bullish, and we are still looking for a higher for XRP. Now the question is just whether the move is gonna happen towards downside first and then towards upside, or is just gonna explode over here towards the upside over here eventually, because this is actually very bullish. Now if you look at the indicators down here on XRP, we got a couple of indicators down here. Why is this not showing over here? There we go. We'll see that XRP is actually on the weekly pretty high up here. All right, this is like almost this high over here, or the previous stop over here. That's also came to that these kind of levels. But if you go to the monthly time frame, we'll see that these stops up here, at least this stop over here, previous stop in 2021 wasn't actually that high, right? So we still have on the monthly time frame more movements towards the upside, and I don't think this is just done just yet, especially when you're looking on daily time frame. This doesn't look like a top to me, regardless of how you look at it. It looks like consolidation before the next move towards the upside, or after the next move, that can be the top or not. Now let me show you another chart up here with a lot more lines on the chart. This is the same falling channel that we had. This is the same triangle over here that we had. There is a blue box over here right above us. I'm just gonna remove a couple of arrows over here on the chart, and I'm gonna remove this one as well. There is a blue box up here that's a major level of resistance that I had for a long time, and this needs to be broken. Now if you go to the 4-hourly time frame, you'll see that we tried a couple of times to we went over here, we tried to break it, failed that, just closed below that, we closed below that. Right now we're getting ready actually to break that level, to break this blue box, and the next target is not over here at 1.49, it's actually at 1.6. Now the reason it's at 1.6, if you go to the monthly time frame, we got a major level of resistance right over here. Over here, that's the major level of resistance, that's 1.6, so I'm looking for that. Now, the first thing it has to do is get out of this consolidation over here that's happening, break the blue box, and it's, the next target should be 1.6 because that's the next major level of resistance. So I'm pretty confident that if this triangle over here breaks towards the upside, that it's gonna break the blue box. If it manages to break blue box and stay above the blue box, I think it's gonna go to 1.6. At least that's the next target. We're not gonna talk, about any kind of higher targets up here right now, but the next target for XRP, I think it just might be 1.6, but first thing first, it needs to get out of this triangle box over here, this falling channel, and once that's done, then we go to the moon. Thanks for watching. We got a public Telegram channel, the link in the description, all that shebang. I'll see you around. Where's my outro? Over here. Bye bye.